Hey guys, it's your girl Chanel, aka Nelly B, and today I'm inviting you all to get ready with me and with Maybelline as I'm going to be doing my makeup. I think I've probably done a makeup video once on this channel years ago, but I've never really uh, gotten into doing makeup videos because I'm not a professional. I just like makeup a lot, although I don't wear it often. Yeah, so I'm actually going out to the blogger night for the opening of Magnolia Cafe in Maraval, and coming off of the heels of, for those of you who follow me on Instagram, you guys would know I got invited to a Maybelline brunch on Republic Day, and we got a little goodie bag with some Maybelline products. So I wanted to do a face using only or as much Maybelline products as I can to wear tonight, so I could give you guys some feedback on the makeup. Now I don't have anything from Maybelline for brows, so I'm going in with my Salon Perfect Done-in-One Brow Pomade in dark brown. So my mirror is at the side of me right here. I don't know how, makeup people, how do you do this? I don't know. Bear with me. So I'm just like going in and filling in some of the gaps. I know it's not the neatest, but I'll clean that up with some concealer. Yeah, that actually works for me. So I'm just gonna do the other side. I need to get to an esthetician or a wax person soon to get these brows done because lordy, stress and more stress and more stress. Okay, so for under my brows, I know this is the under eye concealer, but I'm gonna go in under my brows. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Under Eye Concealer in Warm Olive. That's 52. Okay, I need to put these things down because I need to, again, I don't, how do y'all, Sherry, Deidre, I'm good with filming things. I'm not good with doing my makeup on camera. How do y'all do this? Like, I don't know. What is going on? Sorry, I have to laugh at myself because I was seeing, what is this? What is this? I'm just gonna go in with one of these brushes that I got in one of those generic brush sets and blend this out because oh my word, what is happening here? Oh good lord, y'all seeing? Y'all, what am I doing? It looks so different on camera. Like, it looks so much brighter on the screen because I'm looking at my screen right there. So it looks so much brighter on the screen than it does me looking at it. So I'm looking at my screen now to see how I can blend that out. Okay, good. So the eye situation, well, the brow situation, good lord, is done. I'm not gonna do anything too drastic with them. Besides that, I'm slipping off my bed. And what am I doing next? Okay, I am actually gonna put a little bit of concealer on my lid. I should have thought about that first, because I'm probably just gonna use that as like something to let my what y'all call this, to let my eyeshadow stick to. So I'm just gonna do that as well. Right, okay, like I said, it looks a lot lighter as I'm looking at the screen there. It looks a lot lighter looking at the screen than it does looking in my mirror, but that's okay. I'm just gonna put some eyeshadow and stuff over that. Speaking of the eyeshadow, so I'm gonna use the City, oh lord, I just dropped my brush. So for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the City palette. Color's not showing up all at all. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna use that, and this is their 510 Blushed Avenue palette. I think I want to go in with my blending brush, and I'm probably gonna use, oh lord, it looks so, my light is washing it out. So let me see if I can bring it in a little closer here, because I'm gonna go in with this shade, I think, and the pinkish one underneath, so that I can, at least I think these are matte. Yeah, these are matte. So I can do like a transition color situation. Right. Every time I do that, it gets brighter with the light. Let's freaking push my light back a bit. See if that makes a difference. Oh yeah, that definitely makes a difference. Right, so I'm using two of the colors, of the matte colors, as like a transition color above my crease. Okay, that actually looks pretty good. So then I'm going to go in with there's this purple, looking so washed out on. If I tap that, it'll make a difference. There we go. Right, so I'm gonna go in and guess what, right? We're gonna go in with this purple. You know, oh, they're probably laughing at me. Like I said, people who've asked for a makeup tutorial for me, this is what you get to because I don't do makeup. I'm gonna go in with this purple on the lid. Oh my god. Okay, let's hope it goes better. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Good lord. Alright, now I'm gonna cheat because there's no black in this palette. However, I do have another Maybelline City palette. This was their collaboration with Makeup by Shayla. I actually won this in a giveaway from a fellow Trinidadian YouTuber. So, ignore the dog. So I'm going to use the black in that. Don't mind palette looking a little crusty. I'm going to use the black in that. If y'all hear noise, it's because my husband is probably now about to open the door. Babe? Hey, I'm recording a video. Just letting you know. Yeah, so I'm just putting that black in the corner there, and then I'm just gonna dust off the excess that the black may have on there, and then just kind of blend that into the purple and blend that into my crease, and then just blend that into the transition color. Okay, so that's not half bad. What I'm gonna do now though is I'm gonna take in that same Makeup by Shayla Maybelline palette, I'm gonna go in with that brown just to kind of soften up the black on the edge there with the other transition colors. It looks so weird when your face is not complete, but bear with me, it'll get a little better, I promise. So just to be a little extra, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner. So I suck at this and I'm probably gonna do this incorrectly, but okay. Oh, that's pretty. And I'm gonna use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Curvitude because the brush is curved. Mascara or mascara, as you want to call it. Right, so the eyes are done. Like I said, my face is a little crazy still, but you have to fix the rest of it. So I'm going back in with the concealer because this is an under eye concealer. This is a bit bright for my complexion, but I'll make it work. Wow, the coverage is actually pretty good. So now that's in, I'm gonna go in with the Super Stable Coverage 16-Hour Powdered Foundation in the shade Coconut. Now I use the Fit Me Matte Liquid Foundation in Coconut. This looks a little bit lighter, so I don't think that this is gonna be an exact match. However, we're trying it. If I look a little ashy for the night, I'll survive. Okay, it can work. It can work. I definitely just have to like warm up my face. The coverage is pretty interesting. I'm not really used to wearing powdered foundations, so I'm not quite sure if I can compare them to liquid foundation or cream to powder. I'm going in with their Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Topaz. Oh, that's nice. Okay, this is nice. And then last but not least, I am going to use their ink crayon in Laugh Louder in shade 40. And that is it. This is my face using Maybelline. I'll probably do a follow-up blog post on my thoughts about the makeup, and I'll let you all know what my thoughts are. Follow up somehow, whether it's a blog post or video or on Facebook, Instagram, whatever. But I mean, in terms of, I like it. I'm pleased with how my makeup looks, and we'll see how it lasts. So if you're not following me on my other social media, make sure you follow. Links are in the description box. Thank you guys as always so much for watching. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.